Hi, good day. This is Alex from Internet Well SQL. So in today's reviews, I would like to show you about this new cloud app to be launched today, 11 a.m. EXT on JVZoo, right? So the product is called ZOOP. ZOOP basically is a bundle of a few with this cool product that have bundled together under one single product called ZOOP. Right? So ZOOP have a Facebook poster, automatic script writer, messages board, and email blaster and page builder. So these are the 5 key applications that actually bundled together under one single app come under one single platform. So what with one single login, you are able to access these 5 different app with the different features for you to actually help you, or you can even create this use this all this app to actually to sell your services to other businesses, right. So look at this my review page about Zoop's review and bonuses, right. So these are the pro I've listed right now here, right. So this product is by created by OJ Jim. OJ Jim is one of the really cool guys. He actually launched many even he's a top 15 seller in this JVZoo, right. So number of sales is close to 30,000 and it's a top 10% affiliate also, and he have won over 11 product of the days, right. So Zoo is by these guys OJ Jim, right, coming back on this review, right. So what is Zoo? I have actually explained to you. It's a 5-in-1 multi-channel marketing platform. So all these 5 apps is 5-in-1 under one single marketing platform that is able to bring you a lot of traffic and a lot even to help you to get more lead and more sale by using this marketing platform, right. Okay. So those consist of these several powerful modules such as Facebook poster. This I actually explained to you already, right, in the first part, right. This is demo video here. You can watch how to actually use this app. It's very simple to use app. There's no complicated step to follow. So even there are only 3 steps to follow into the app and see all the many services you can offer. And step 2, build your campaign such as a Facebook services, message board and service, page builder services, script writing services, email services. So all this is the really key or critical services, must-have services for all the online business, right. So you can even create all these services and sell to anyone who is in need of these services, right. So hit activate and get paid to manage these much needed services for local business. So local business, they don't know anything about those. They don't know the in and out how to get all these 5 services, right, in order for them to market their business. So you're here to use this Zoop to actually to help them to actually to get them more data and more sale and more traffic, right. So what I chose FE front end and OT. So the front end is 37, right. So this is a preview page here. You can actually check out on the preview, and the OT01's 67 Platinum Edition. This is an upgrade. Then you can actually unlock unlimited social account and advanced users, so you can have unlimited social account with this OT01. OT02 is an upgrade. You can unlock unlimited social account and advanced feature also. This is also some at the automation feature that come together with this OTO3, and this seller, they can even have the right to promote the product and give 100% commission on the full funnel. So that's pretty cool, right. So for this you even get just for 197, right. So with this launch on the Zoop, I'm actually bundles together as a very special offer to you. If you pick up Zoop via the link inside my review page, I'm going to give you the 300 bonus pack. This bonus pack is no normal bonuses I'm giving away. This is all congruent bonuses. It's going to help you to make the best of the tools, right, if you purchase via the link inside my review page. So with this, if you purchase it any of the front end or any of the OTO one-time offer, so you are going to get my product done for you money. This is 50,000 make money on the subscriber. So if you don't have a list as a beginner in the industry, right, I'm giving you a 50,000 make money online subscriber, whereby you can log it into autoresponder and start promoting them with any of the offer. It could be affiliate product, or could be your own digital product, right. So this pretty cool. This is all targeted make money online list, right? So second special bonus, if you also buy the front end together with any hotel, you're going to get my access to 6,000 PLR ebook and video. This is one of my really hot selling product whereby really unique product whereby it is a SaaS, it is a cloud app by itself whereby you can search over 6,000 PLR ebook. You can download this PLR ebook and video course and give it away as a bonuses, or you can actually create your own product out of this 6,000 PLR ebook and video courses, right? Again, I have actually I have few top bonuses here to give away if you buy these two via the link inside my review page. First thing, social media marketing tool or the cloud app. This is let you auto and schedule all social media posts, right? So this is going to actually to make it to actually to you can actually use this cloud app to work hand in hand. We remember there's a first feature about ZOOP is a Facebook poster. So I'm giving you a multi social media poster inside this X Social. You are going to have the best social media marketing tool whereby you can actually use it to post for Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. It's not just the Facebook. So that's why I'm saying you're going to actually to get the best out of this cloud app and can use it together with ZOOP, right? The Facebook have the FB poster, automate marketing kit. In ZOOP, there's one of the feature services provided in ZOOP platform is this, right? This is one, and this is automatic script writer, right? So in this bonus, I'm giving you my automate marketing kit. In this automate marketing kit, you can actually there's a line for you template. You can easily create sales page, landing page, all the bump upsell page. Even you can create app copy and post contents also. The template it has the email template, everything. There are over 100 plus template. You can easily just input some key information and can easily get all this marketing content and sales content just in a few clicks. So this is one of the best product I'm giving away as a bonus. Next one is this is a bot engage. Bot engage is a messages bot, right? Okay, so messages bot you can use it together with ZOOP. In ZOOP, they have this messages bot. They call it as messages bot come with powerful messenger marketing to build engagement, lead, and promote your own affiliate offer. So with this bonus, you can use it with the ZOOP messages bot to get you the best result, right? 250k funnel kit that and drop funnel builder. So remember, ZOOP is giving you a page builder. So on top of this page builder, if you get these bonuses, you're going to have this is funnel builder. This is a drag and drop funnel builder. This is very advanced tools, right? So you can use it together with ZOOP page builder to get you the best result. And I also have bundled super affiliate software funnel. This is with the reseller. Let me to say, you're going to get these bonuses. They have inside. They have a 3 best affiliate software. Then you can resell it as your own product, and you're going to make unlimited profit out of this software funnel reseller, right? Email search. So ZOOP have an email broadcaster, right? So in ZOOP, if you see one of the ZOOP services is about email blaster, right? So email blaster, right? I'm giving you also this bonus is going to help you to get the best of email marketing, whereby you can have this email timer, email GIF, and email self-destruct, all these different elements, right? And again, I'm giving you some others really powerful advanced cloud app, 50 SEO tool to blend your site and blog if you are running a site blog. And OutReachr, this is a water traffic cloud app. This is another SaaS I'm giving to you. This is another more advanced SaaS affiliate store builder step I shop I'm giving to you as part of the bonuses. Audio visual reseller, like can create your audio track and integrate in any of your videos for your video marketing purpose. And the best part is I'm giving you another cloud app. It's about you can use it to create your own video using this VidSpark, right? And I have the video library giveaway, and this is going to have 250 special videos. You can use it to promote your blog, give away for engagement, build a membership site, build a new info product. You can use it for any kind of purpose for your marketing to get you a lot of leads and also sales, right? YouTube #2021 YouTube channel SEO. including a lot of bonuses about video marketing, because nowadays video marketing is a very hot topic, right? So video marketing is going to help you to get more lead and more sales. If you can master the YouTube marketing, the YouTube ranking, everything about the video marketing, right? So exclusive list building training is a very specialized bonuses. I'm sure you're not going to get this in outside of here, right? This is in this list building training going to get 100 free solo app after you complete the list building training. High ticket system, how to make high ticket commission by selling high ticket product, right? Here you're going to learn all this in and out about how you can do that, right? Again, product launch. Today you're launching a new product individual on YoWeb Plus. You're going to get these bonuses, right, and learn how to do it. And I have the 15 free traffic method. You don't know this is a traffic method I'm giving to you. Free traffic method here, right? So you don't have to pay a single penny. You don't have to buy any pay app to get the traffic to promote or your own product, right? Okay, you have the free training how to make money on the VSL. This is another very exclusive training, and I have joined TikTok traffic app and Instagram traffic app. And we give away. This is another bundle I'm giving to you, right, to help you to grow your lead, right? Okay, build your list using giveaway. This is all done from you. You just need to give this away to people to get their lead or get their email into your subscriber list, right? So that is how you can build your lead using the 100 giveaway. Also with I have this is the best right, very useful software plugin in the bundle, right? So just preview inside here what you're going to get out of this. This is all you're going to get, all 300 bonuses and bundled together. Here is for you only, and you can have a look into here also to understand what is inside this my last bonus packet, this bigger bonus packet I put together, right? So so that's it. That's why it's still loading, and we have also vendor bonuses, right? There's a couple of vendor bonuses OJ is going to give away as part of the purchase, and I have others already 10 exclusive bonuses, 600,000 YouTube view case study, how to find and close your high paying client and whether critical exposure dominate YouTube without showing your face or real voice, and 16,000 lead case studies, personal branding blueprint, storytelling, marketing, Pinterest profit, and you have this buyer trigger, and all this is all the bonuses is for you. If you take fast action today, click the link inside my review page. You're going to come to and just purchase ZOOP while the link is inside my review page, and you can download all these bonuses inside the JV member area, right? So as simple as that. That's right. You're going to get this, right? You can actually take your time to go through every single detail about the bonuses I have actually prepared in this preview page, right? Right. So coming back to all this, right? So remember to take fast action, right? I have on these bonuses package for the first 30 lucky person who take fast action today, right? So it's about ZOOP, right? Okay, let's go back to ZOOP. So if you want to take a look into this is what you're going to see, right? Okay, so this is a sales page you're going to see. So when you click any of the button inside my review page, it's going to bring you to this sales page, and inside the sales page it have go through all the detail here. There's some testimonial also, and there are also some steps, and also OJ's some of the review, comment, everything, the features, all this stuff now here, right? So take your time to go through the every single detail inside this sales page, right? Those take fast action. And before my bonus run out, so before I end today's review about this, let's have look inside the ZOOP. So if you look into ZOOP, this is what you're going to see, right? It's a clean white color and blue menus platform. This is dashboard you can see, right? So inside the dashboard is very simple to use, right? So you can see the dashboard is going to show you the post, the CTA post, and all these download pages, right? Different and the last auto deploy upcoming Facebook poster campaign, right? Again, the first thing as I tell you, this is automatic copywriter here, right? So it can actually, so you can use it automated writing. You can give the name of to the writing, and you can select the category of the writing, and you can select template of the writing, and you can create you the copy writing, right? So you can use it for your email, for your headline in your sales page. So that's one of the very cool feature here. So there's some of the example here, right? You can see this is some of the example you can see, and there's also click here, right? Okay, so this what you're going to have is the first feature here. automated writing. The second thing is the writing management. So writing management basically is for you to create a list template. You can create a new writing template and you can define your own template here, right? The template name, right? And you can also have this tag also here, right? So this is another way. There's a way to do the tag management here, right? You can define the tag, right? So there's one thing that you can connect to your FB's account. So you can log in with your Facebook account, and once you log in, you are able to connect to your Facebook account and you can start doing the FB posting. So the FB posting can be easily done inside this ZOOP, right? We can create a new post, right? Yep. So you can create a new post and you can preview a new post here. You can link image, video, the different kind of post. You can have texture post, image post, and video post also, right? So there is some of the very cool feature and the CTA post, right? You can see, and this is some of the different post, multimedia post, CTA post, and this is a slider poster also. And you can actually manage your subscriber here under this subscribers manager. You can have subscriber from your email subscriber, right? Okay, you can have a subscriber from also for the bot subscriber also, right? Yeah. So again, so this is messages bot. Messages bot is where you can actually create your messages bot and have the bot setting, one-time notification post back manager. If you have used a Facebook messages bot, then this is work really similar to what Facebook bot is working, right? So you can have this messages bot also here. You can create your bot also, right? So you can broadcast your email using this to broadcast your email, right? You can have the set up SMTP. When you set up SMTP, you can use it as an autoresponder, so you don't have to buy additional autoresponder to send your email. So you can create email campaigns. You can even have your email template. So one of the things itself is a page builder. Page builder, you can create a new page builder. There's 100 template inside the page builder, right? So you don't have to buy a separate page builder. Then it may cost you a monthly fee, right? So all these features this come only under one roof, only one-time price or 37 upon the launch price. So that fast section today, this is just a demo version, right? So the full version is going to have a cool complete feature with one-time payment with all this full feature under one roof. Imagine you are going to get to buy this separately app. It could cost you each of it could cost you more than $100 or it may be more than that. So now you're going to get everything for less than $50 only. For only 37, right? You're going to get a full functional services for all the different services under one single app, one single platform, right? So that's it, right? So I have all this is all for one-time price. That fast section today, right? All the bonuses is just waiting for you to pick up, and I'm sure all these bonuses is going to give you a lot of value, right? Okay, so this is the best deal I have actually bundled together with you. I hope you enjoy my walkthrough, my demo, and my sharing to you about this ZOOP that fast session. Yeah, and have a nice day. Bye bye.